Happy New Year and welcome back to Flo Felts. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, I just hope you had a wonderful holiday. As promised, today I will be showing you my favourite Christmas presents, and next week I'll be showing you Christmas presents that I made for other people. So here they are, my favourite Christmas presents of 2020. Firstly, from my grandparents, I got this Lego statue of Hedwig. I'm a big Harry Potter fan and I love Lego, so this was so much fun to put together. Not only is it a statue, but if you turn the handle at the back, its wings move, and you can turn its head as well. I think it's a beautiful piece and I absolutely adore it. Next, from one of my school friends, is this snowy owl beanie boo. Technically it's not Hedwig, but because I'm such a big Harry Potter fan, my friend saw it and thought it looked like Hedwig, which is why she got it for me. So I'm pretending it's Hedwig, because in my heart it is Hedwig. That's not cringy at all. Keeping on the Harry Potter theme, my cousin got me this I solemnly swear that I am up to no good case. I could use it as a pencil case or I could use it as a makeup bag. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for yet, but I mean, I love it. I think it's really cool. So, we'll see. Now this one's one of my new favourite t-shirts ever. This was from my uncle and auntie and two little cousins. I don't really have much to say about it other than I love it. I'm gonna just let you soak it in all its glory. Next, from my best friend, I've got this blue, pink and white bath bomb that makes my room smell amazing. I got a lot of bath bombs, but this one is my favourite and I can't wait to use it because, like I said, it smells amazing. I don't have baths often, but when I do, I go all out with relaxation, and one of the best ways to do that is with a good bath bomb. From my parents, I've got this lovely bracelet from the company Camino. What's special about it is that it's a charm bracelet, but you can personalise the charms. You can get preset ones, or you can get ones with your own text on them. For example, one of the charms on it has pictures of mountains on it to represent the time when I climbed Snowdon in Wales with my parents. The mountains one was a preset one that you can buy, but then one that my parents personalise is the one that's got the date and place of my baptism. I think it's a really fun idea and I think it will be wonderful to collect my memories on this bracelet over the years. Next, I got this necklace from a very special person. It's got my star sign on it, and I was already looking for a necklace that I could wear daily, so this was just a really special present, and I really like it. And finally, my big present was this electric drum kit. I've been learning drums for a few months now, and we've been using a drum kit that I borrowed from the church, so it was a bit broken and just not in great condition at all. I mean, the ride cymbal didn't even work, and the sound quality wasn't great. So I just got a new drum kit for Christmas because, well, I obviously needed a new one if I was going to carry on learning drums, which I am. The pads are mesh, which has a much more realistic and acoustic feel than the rubber pads. Having a proper working drum kit just makes me want to practice more often as well, so it's just great to have a proper one of my own. So there we have it. Those were my Christmas presents from 2020. While in general it wasn't a great year for all of us, near the end, for me personally, it got better and there were some quite good highlights. I hope you all have a somewhat good 2021. We'll see how it goes. Let's hope it gets better eventually. Have a good weekend, everyone, and I will see you next week. Bye!